All right, let's go. Oh, it's a hot day today. So we're gonna go for a ride in the rain by the looks, because I washed my bike. Yep, that's on. Yep. Yep. Oh, ow, oh, ow, ow. They're big raindrops. Yeah, I think there's more to come. Oh, it's gonna get wet. Oh, you can feel the temperature drop now. Look at all this. I think, yeah, no, I think we might just turn around, eh? Oh, it was a good attempt at a ride. You ready? Tell you, little one. Tell you about that high. I feel it. I know what it's doing. It's about that high off the ground. No, it's not. We're going to get wet. Hang on. Oh. Oh, cops. Oh. It's pissing down. Oh, I'm getting soaked. Look at this guy, no lights on. Turn your lights on, dumbass. No blinker, no nothing. Oh, he's fucking all over the shop. Oops, someone hit the Mackenzie Street sign. Look, how'd they do that? Well, I am not going for a ride, and I can't finish my videos properly, so this is it. Bit of lightning. But this is my backyard, everybody. Okay, tried to go for a ride today, got caught in a little bit of this rain, then this rain set in, so wasn't much fun, all my stuff's wet, and that's the end of the video.